What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Cardano ADA token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point. Let me show you more thoroughly. And I've told you that we have several possibilities. First of all, as you can see, we broke this sloping line, this resistance, and we hover for quite some time above this level. And we retested from the top and bounced back. But as you can see, we didn't have enough volume. This means this bounce couldn't be the beginning of a new uptrend, and that's why at this point you had to be cautious. So right here, as you can see, we had another bounce from our support line, and it was let me show it to you. It was the support from this very bottom, and it is a bottom line of this symmetrical triangle, and we bounced back from it, but then we broke it to the downside. And I've told you that for your swing trade position, if we broke this previous bottom, we have more possibilities to see lower targets. And as you can see, if I make this level a little bit longer, we retest this resistance, we retest it from the bottom, and for now we bounce to the downside. This means we still have a good chances to see lower price actions, and that's why you have to be cautious. So I will continue with my technical analysis in just several minutes, and for now let me show you the total sentiment for the crypto market. We are on coinmarketcap.com, and for now we are sitting at the total market cap of $2.38 trillion, and it is 0.41% decrease over the last day. We are moving pretty much sideways, and we don't have much gains and much losses during the last 24 hours, but during the last 7 days we have very good gains for the main cryptocurrencies, but Cardano has a losses of 4.12%. So let me show you Cardano numbers. For now it has a total market cap of $71.63 billion, and it's down for about 0.65%. By the way, as you can see, Cardano previously was on the 3rd place, and for now it is on the 4th place. But recently, when we were right here below, slightly below $2 price point, Cardano was even on the 5th place, below Tether. And it is nothing special with these movements, just a matter of fact that Cardano is moving from 5th wave to 3rd one, and vice versa. So, and the total tradable volume for Cardano during the last 24 hours was $2.21 billion, and it's down for about 26.77%. Let me show you that right here, as you can see, we have diminishing volume, and this means we are in some kind of indecisive phase, because this price action, this sideways movement with the lower volumes, means that nobody knows what to expect next. And let me show you the recent news. We are on Investor Place, and this article was published 6 hours ago, and it's titled Cardano Price Predictions. Can the ADA crypto really hit $20 by year end? And we have several predictions, and let me quote you these. For context, at the time of writing, ADA currently trades at $2.19 per token, and we are pretty much at the same level. We are at $2.17 per coin. And let me quote you this. Ben Armstrong, known as BitBoy Crypto, recently pledged ADA as a $15 to $20 token, given possible parabolic price action near the end of the cycle. FX Street suggests Cardano needs to break through the $2.6 level to see new all-time highs. Additionally, CoinQuora has placed a $10 price target on ADA if everything goes well. Finally, Wallet Investor provides 1-year and 5-year price targets of $4.59 and $14.06 respectively for ADA. And I have to say that my assumption is much closer to this latest bullet, because we have more real numbers with the $4.55 and $14.06, and we don't have round numbers as we have right here, $15 to $20. These numbers are just pure guessing, and these numbers are based on some kind of research. And let me show you the news from FX Street, and here it is. We have several bullets on the recent news that was published on October 13th, and it's titled "Cardano sits on strong fundamentals that are not priced in yet." And let me quote you these bullets. Cardano price is hovering above an ascending parallel channel's upper trend line, indicating a potential retest. ADA and RSI have formed bearish divergence on a weekly chart, adding credence to the short-term correction. And this bullet is completely irrelevant in my opinion, because if we use RSI on a weekly chart, we cannot have the short-term correction. We will have a correction for the multiple weeks, and it's obvious. And next one, transaction data shows that any upswing will face gigantic resistance up to $2.76. And let me quote you that I agree only with one statement, with this one, that we are hovering above the upper resistance / support, and we had one touch right here, and potentially we might hit it again somewhere at these points, and we might go higher. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch to weekly time frame, and I will show you why you cannot rely on this movement as a bearish divergence. Right here, as you can see, we have this high, and this high, and technically we have lower highs. And right here we have the same peaks that are higher than the previous ones, and this means we have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. But we cannot rely on this third high as the continuation of these two, because we were hovering for quite some time exactly in the middle of RSI territory, and this means we pretty much unloaded this structure, and this means we have a room to grow to the upside. And let me show you that we have 4 latest candles, and these candles are doji candles. And for those of you who don't know, but 3 dojis in a row, let me show you, 3 dojis in a row, it is a tri-star pattern. It's a 3-line candlestick pattern that can signal a possible reversal in the current trend. So, as you can see, we had the short-term bearish trend, and we had several doji candles. This means market is in undecisive phase, and this means we might go either way. So, what should you expect from the price action? In my opinion, let's switch again to 4 hours time frame. In my opinion, we might hover for quite some time in between these two levels, in between this resistance, this line that becomes a resistance, and this lower support that is at the range of $1.88. And if you want to invest in this asset, nothing to worry about this price action, because the lower the price goes, the better average price of your position. And it is obvious. And I have to say that from the fundamental standpoint, Cardano is a very good cryptocurrency, and is a very good and has a very good fundamentals, and has a very good use cases. That's why in the long term, in my opinion, it is a very good potential contender to be in your investment portfolio. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!